Hi, this is a training video on Salesforce Dashboards. So what is a dashboard? A dashboard is like a stack of pancakes where if you click on the top, you can look into what the report is. It shows 6 to 12 reports all in one place dynamically. Let's see the static example. On your homepage in Salesforce, on the bottom, the default of the dashboards, what's shown are just the top 3 rows of your dashboards, right? Like here, I can just see the top 3 digits. In the middle there is the refresh button. Here, when you look at it in more detail, you see when it was run, the last date, which was a couple days ago. And if you want to refresh it to make sure your metrics or statistics are done, you just press that refresh button right up there. And then the important thing here is that if you have a question of what you're being metriced on, you can actually press, just click on the widget and it'll show you the underlying report that's supporting that graphic, the stack of pancakes, the pancake reports, right? And here, for instance, I clicked on one of the widgets, and here is the Regional Manager West. The last modified date is the time frame, the sort criteria of the report that's displayed in the widget. It's interesting. Now, let's do a live demo. Here, again, it's Mr. McHugh, who has authorized me to use his Salesforce. Where can you find dashboards? In the tabs, or on the tabs on the plus underneath. And here on his homepage, again, is the default top 3 rows showing contacts, top 20, etc. And if you click on one of them, this is the supporting report that supports and pushes the information to the graphic, right? Again, if your question like, what am I being metriced on, or what does this mean? Click on it like that, and here it is. Here's the logic. Assigned role equals Regional Manager West, last modified date is this month, etc. Right? If you want to refresh it, boom, hit that button, refresh. And it'll run all the reports and give you the latest data up to the second. Over there at Customize is where if you want to have other dashboards, you can customize and default other dashboards on your home page. Here are the general dashboards and the Regional Manager West dashboard, since Mr. McHugh only has access to his dashboard, or the general dashboard. So here is an example of the general dashboard that I just put in as the default home page. You can choose, what dashboards do you want on your home page by the Customize button. Here is the full dashboard, Regional Manager West. Refresh. You saw that it was a few days old, April 11th versus April 18th. Every report is being run to give you up-to-the-minute statistics. So the important thing is get in the habit of refreshing, because you'll get the latest info. Otherwise, you'll look at last week's info. By default, I run these reports once a week, and it refreshes the dashboard. But you're better off doing it every time you have a meeting, or at least once a day. Thank you very much. That summarizes.